Hi, this is an explanation for week 13 and 14. Yes, you heard me correctly. This is a 2-week lesson. You're going to study how to help or assist students to make economic decisions and also how students learn through multiple assessments. So this week, some of the things you'll be doing is to make some Play-Doh or use Play-Doh to assist students in learning economics. You're going to explore some websites teaching economics using children's literature. You'll write responses to economic topics, and you're then going to respond to how do I teach students to learn through multiple assessments and evaluation. Let's click on the folder. Here are the activities again. This week you're going to either make some Play-Doh or use some Play-Doh. I have some recipes here for you. If you have your own recipe, you're more than welcome to use that, or you could use store-bought Play-Doh. You're going to read 3 of the Play-Doh lessons that are found below, and then using the Play-Doh, you're going to create some sculptures and take pictures of your sculptures that you're going to post to the wiki so that the rest of the students in our class can see your sculptures and see how you would use those in regards to economics. So you're going to write a little reflection on how these are going to be used to teach economics to students. Include your opinion of how successful you think the students would be to understand the concept. Maybe you have some better ideas, some better suggestions that you could offer. You can add those, and you're going to put that in the week 13 and 14 drop box. You're also going to respond to each topic in the list of economic topics that you'll find in this folder as well, and you're going to link your responses to the week 13 and 14 drop box. And then using the children's literature, if you give a mouse a cookie, you're going to locate an economics lesson or activities from some website that talks about using this children's literature book as a book to understand economics, especially for young kids. And what you're going to do then is look online for some activities or a lesson or something that you're going to link to the week 13 and 14 drop box that describe the economic concepts that can be derived from this book if you give a mouse a cookie. The study of economics can start as early as kindergarten. In some cases, it starts as early as preschool. So here is the link for some Play-Doh recipes. You're welcome to use your own. You're welcome to use store-bought. These are the lessons or the activities that use Play-Doh to help understand economic concepts. Pick 3 of those, and you're going to write a little bit about them and share your sculptures that you create from these lessons, and by taking photos and then putting those on Blackboard as well in the week 13-14 drop box. This is the list of economic topics that you're going to actually respond to. I have put a PowerPoint of if you give a mouse a cookie, so you could read through that when you're deciding which websites, which activities, which lessons you might use to create some economic lessons using this children's book. And then this is the multiple assessment questions. If you click on that, that's one document, and I would like you to post that in the week 13-14 drop box as one whole document. So either word process it and use the Word document, or use Google Doc will be fine with me, but just make sure you have it all together in one document. This is the week 13 and 14 drop box that everything will go in this week, and these are just some optional additional resources for economics. If you're interested in looking at them, if you want to use them, add them to your e-portfolio, you're more than welcome to take them. Just some things I found along the way. That takes care of week 13 and 14, 2 weeks. You won't hear from me unless I'm grading or unless I'm sending you some emails for some reason. Otherwise, it will be 2 weeks before week 15, our last week in regards to the semester, in which you will have any lessons at all. And then week 16 is when your e-portfolio, that's your final exam, is due. So you might want to take a look at that and also finish up any other assignment that you have along the way. Otherwise, have a great 2 weeks, and I'll see you online.